Hey guys, today I'm excited to show you how to transform your photos using angle and perspective editing. Whether you're looking to tilt, rotate, or completely change the perspective of your images, this video will guide you step by step. In no time, you'll have your photos popping with creative and professional-looking edits. Let's jump in and unlock the magic of perspective photo editing. Head over to canva.com and select the YouTube thumbnails template to get started. Once there, click on Upload to bring in the photo you want to edit. Position your image where you'd like it. Then click on Elements and scroll sideways until you see Apps. Click on it and find the Mockup section. Scroll down to the Tablet and TV section and hit See All. Then choose the type of perspective you want your photo to take on and increase its size. Now hold and drag your photo into it and watch as it instantly transforms into the desired perspective. Now drag it to fit the screen. To clean up the edges, click on Elements. Select a square shape and use it to cover the parts of the photo you don't want visible. Once you're satisfied with the look, go ahead and download it. After downloading the image, head back to Canva and clear the current setup. Now upload the photo we just downloaded. Next, we need to remove the background from our image. We can do that through Canva, which you'll need to subscribe for Canva Pro. But don't worry, I'll show you how to do it for free. Go to the background removal website. Link in the video description. Upload the photo we downloaded from Canva and let the site work its magic. As you can see, it's simple, quick, and free to use. Once the background is removed, download the image and return to Canva. Now upload any background image of your choice. Adjust it to fit the screen. Then upload the photo with the removed background and position it where you want. That's how you change your photo's perspective. Next, let's add a glow effect around the edges of your photo. Click on Effects, then hit Effects again and select Shadows. Click on Glow and increase the size to 100, increase the blur amount to 50, and the intensity to 100. You can also customize the glow color by clicking on Color and selecting your preferred shade. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment letting me know what you think of the video.